Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for a platform that you can do all crypto related things, meaning that it can be your own crypto bank on the go? Then stick around for this video because in the next few minutes we will be talking about that in depth. But first of all, this video is only for educational purposes. It's not financial advice, and without any further ado, let's just dive deep into it. So guys, here we are on Changex. What's going on here? Let's have a look first at the platform, see how's the layout and how intuitive things are. As you can see here, very well structured layout. Of course, it's an app as well, so you can find it here on the iOS store and the Google Play Store. So if you're using Android or iOS, you can easily find it. It's best in class at boosting income. What does it all mean? We will get through that, but as you can see here, things are laid out in a very understandable structure. And here you will find all relevant information at your fingertips. Everything is well laid out in front of you and easy to understand. And also we will get to the debit card that you can actually spend your money directly using your account with them. So things are very smooth and very intuitive. And also they have their socials down there. We will get to that in a second, but let's go to the exchange itself and see what does it mean. Well, redesigning the crypto wallet, download Changex and enjoy all advantages of CX in all 100% non-custodial crypto wallet where you get own keys for your own crypto. You know, there's always a saying, your keys, your crypto, not your keys, not your crypto, meaning that whenever there is a platform that's taking away the keys for your crypto wallet, that means that it's not your crypto. But here you own your keys and you own your crypto, and here you can download the app and get started. And of course you can also use it as a PC version or a desktop version. And here the only DeFi wallet you will ever need. Why is that? Well, first of all, it's decentralized. It's a hybrid CDFI and multi-chain, and of course secure. Security here is one very good priority for them, and that's also for good reason. Of course, as things develop in the blockchain technology, of course you need more and more security, and it has to be in the forefront of all the priorities you would put there. So guys, here we go through the withdrawal process of your profits. So as you can see here, you have the Tether USDT, that's $50.4. So as a whole picture here, you will have everything dated and value and percentage and compounding. Of course you can turn it off or on, and here you can go to withdrawals and start the process. It's actually quite easy. USDT, you have 50.4 USDT. You just click withdraw, and here you can enter your wallet address and the amount. Of course you choose max, and then here you have to make sure that the data is correct, and after getting the confirmation, give them 5 minutes to 24 hours to process your inquiry, of course. And here you have the amount, you have an overview of the fees, the amount received, and then you can enter the 6-digit code that comes to you through the two-factor authentication, and then you can just confirm the withdrawal pending. Give it a few seconds, and once it's done, you get a confirmation, and then you get to proceed. As you can see here, depending of course on your internet connection, you can have an overview of your withdrawal, profit and withdrawal. You profited 50, you withdrew 50, so things are good in this regard and you're good to go. Of course, you can buy and sell crypto with relative ease here. You can just go fiat on ramp and crypto off ramp. You can just, with a flip, you can just get money, send money, convert money into crypto and vice versa. So things are quite easy in that aspect. Of course, here they are providing you with a support exchange so far, unlocking limitless potentials for Web3 and DeFi wallets. Here you have Ethereum, Hydra, Arbitrum and Polygon, KCC and BNB. Of course, I would say Ethereum, Polygon and BNB are quite well established and everyone knows them. And of course, coming soon, Avalanche, OQC and Cosmos as well. Cosmos is quite well known for now, but still in process that they will include it as well. And here you will find the crypto swaps that you might need to have a look at. Everything is just moving in front of you. At a glimpse, you can get yourself oriented and ready to go. So here you can go and apply for a Changex debit card. It's a centrally issued bank card that works with your decentralized token, meaning that you can just join the waitlist right now, and then eventually you will get your hands on this card and you can directly spend your own crypto money. That's a very good reason for you to start thinking about crypto as a mean of spending money as well, because it's coming. I mean, it can take some time, but it's definitely coming and it's already here. Many other crypto exchanges, they also offer you a debit card, so it has become a standard now in the business. Once you apply, once you have an account somewhere, you can also gain access to your money through your debit card to your crypto bank account. Here you will have the frequently asked questions, so whenever you have any question, you can just skim through them and get yourself oriented about the whole thing. Here also there is a minting for DeFi. Boost your income with DeFi. Earn passive income, meaning that you can access a powerful suite of a DeFi investment in passive income products that can give you control over your financial future. Here, boost your income with this option. You can start staking. You can have a flexible staking and spending. You can have Hydra staking, and also you can earn bonus change. So different sorts of incomes here, or income sources, once you start using this platform. So you can have the classic staking, you can earn bonuses, and you can also start Hydra staking, and more features even are coming in the very near future. Pioneering leverage staking. Leverage staking, me personally, I would say make your own homework and understand the full concept before committing to it, but it's also coming strong and coming in the very near future and also being included here. And of course you can discover or entertain yourself about the idea of lending money, and here you can earn on stable like USDT and USDC, and you can also make some good money on that. Here you can read the full white paper and inform yourself more and more, and stack for a rainy day with savings. Of course you need to save for a rainy day. Of course you need to put some money on the side, and here you can also have all the frequently asked questions, so you can get yourself even more oriented. So let's now have a quick look at the bank here and see what they're on about. A crypto friendly bank with a DeFi core, or a decentralized finance core. Here Changex simplifies your entry into the digital economy with a fiat account and uniquely functional debit card elements of banking inside a non-custodial crypto wallet. As I told you before, of course you would need a form of mean to spend your money, and of course that comes in a debit card form, and here that can be an alternative to banks. You can have a better, smarter, faster, and also seamlessly transferring from fiat to crypto or vice versa. So in a perfect world, I would say you can also only use crypto accounts, that you can get your income transferred to a crypto account. You can pay all your bills using your card like you do in a classical bank account, but it's still coming on the way. But here it's actually giving you more advantages that you consider that in the very near future. As you can see here, that's also on the waiting list, so you can apply for it and you can wait for your card, and once it's here you can easily use it. It's just a breeze. You can use it, you use the card or euro or any app token as well to get boosted with your finances, and you can also earn money while you spend in terms of cashback. Of course that's also a classical way, and you can stay flexible, use your virtual debit card in the app and spend securely, or spend euro and in any app token with a physical card, so you can have all flexibility. Of course here you can have the banking sector frequently asked questions, and you can get more into it and understand more. So let's go to the final thing here I want to talk about, which is the Change token. The Change token here, that's a multi-chain, multi-purpose token that offers added benefits of increased APR for every token staked asset in the app. So the price here is currently $0.005 per coin, and the APY is 1.08, and you can buy it, you can explore. Of course I would say inform yourself first and get the full picture about it, but here it's quite promising and things can be accelerated very easily because the market is moving and things are just going crazy with the crypto market cap. And I would say that here also you can have a very good opportunity, I would say golden opportunity for a good investment over here. Here you can burn, you can earn more, you can explore, you can get benefits as well, you can skim through all of that, and of course deflationary token, inflationary rewards. Here you can have all the tokenomics, you can understand the full picture, you can get more and more in details about this whole project and this Change token. But it's a golden opportunity and you can understand all the parameters over here with numbers and supply and liquidity and everything, and the founders and team and the airdropping, everything at your fingertips here, so you can go through it and read it. And also they dedicated the whole frequently asked questions over here. So let's quickly have a look at their Twitter account, or formerly Twitter, now it's called X. As you can see here, 20k followers on Twitter, meaning that they have a very good amount of followers, and also the community is not really that big, but it's not really that small, meaning that you can ask questions, you can interact with people. Whenever you have any inquiry, you can just ask, you can keep yourself updated what they're on about, and all in all you should inform yourself about this project because it can be very, very promising in the very near future because the market is moving and it's moving rapidly. So guys, we talked about Changex, a great platform if you want everything crypto in one place. Everything at your fingertips, everything is very easy to use, very intuitive, and a lot of benefits and advantages once you use it. Everything is linked down below in the description. Feel free to check it out, understand it more, give yourself some time to understand and digest all this information, and then take some action. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, also leave your comment down there in the comment section down below if you have any questions, and also check out some other videos, very educational and informative videos. And till next time, bye bye.